Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Leansimcorp channel. And in this video, we are going to learn about the new class in flex scripting, that is the color class. Okay, so in the last video we have understood about the model class and different types of codes or the syntaxes which we need to use while you are going to use model class, that we have already seen in the last video. And in this video, as I mentioned, we will be understanding about the color class and its related syntax and different types of scriptings referring to the color class. Okay, so this is going to be our next topic in our series of flex scripting, or you can say coding in Flexsim. Okay, so we are going to start this video now, and you can join us for this wonderful journey of scripting and coding in Flexsim. Okay, so now let us start understanding what is color class. Okay, now the name itself implies that it is related to coloring. So if you want to color anything, so currently we will be understanding about coloring the current object. Okay, so we'll be understanding current dot color and all the related stuffs. Your current is nothing but your reference. So that is what we are going to understand in specific to color for the upcoming videos on color. Okay, so the color itself, the name itself implies that we will be changing the color. But what different types of syntaxes which could come in color, how we can change the colors, and what are the possibilities of changing the color things, we will be learning in this today's video and the upcoming videos. So let us start. So basically what you're going to do is a class containing RGBA values for an object's color is called as the color class. Okay, you're going to have the properties like A, okay, B, G and R. These are nothing but going to be the properties in color class. Okay, now the colors alpha component is going to be this, colors blue component is going to be this, colors green component is going to be this, and the colors red component is going to be this. Okay, so that is what it is, RGBA. Okay, so these are nothing but the properties which we will be using in the color class. And when we talk about methods, we will be having the method as LERP. Okay, this we will be understanding and using in upcoming examples, but for the time being, let us understand that this is the method which is used in color class. And what does it mean? It is nothing but linearly interpolates between two colors. Okay, we will be understanding that more in detail when we look into the example, so you will be getting to know what it is used for. Then we have the constructor. Okay, when we talk about constructor, this is how it has been written as color, and this is known as the constructor. Okay, so this is the constructor. When we talk about the static properties, okay, when we talk about the static properties, I'll just put this here. So we have that on the top and we learn that. Okay, so we learned about this color, right? Then we learned about this LERP. Now when we talk about the static properties, it is like this, returned as aqua, or it might be returned as like black or blue. So all the colors that will come into the static properties, because these are static, they are not going to change. So we learned constructor, we learned static properties, we learned about the method, and then we have also seen about the properties, right? That is A, B, G, R. Okay, so this is alpha, blue, green and red. Now when we come down, now to understand, there are going to have static methods. Okay, static methods. So we saw methods, then we have static methods also in the color class. Okay, I'll just type here, we are learning about color class, right? So in this class you are going to have all these things. So then we talk about static methods. When we talk about static methods, you're going to have here by number, right? You're going to have a by number. Then you will be having from palette. Okay, it would be continuous. Okay, from palette, and then you will be having random. Okay, this is the static methods you have. And then you also have operators in this class. Okay, you also have operators. Now the operators are nothing but subtracting, adding, or it can be, dividing, and the things go on, assigning two colors, assign the color to be different. So we will understand those in detail the moment we move ahead. Okay,